So in this Kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book all-inclusive hotels on Kayak.com. So once Kayak.com is opened up, I want you to go ahead and make sure that stays is selected. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and type in Las Vegas for this example. Type in your dates and if all looks good, just go ahead here and press on search. Once the search button is selected, you're going to be brought to this page now. If you want to find hotels or resorts or whatever that are all inclusive, I want you to go ahead and go to this top to where it says all filters and then press on freebies. On the drop down, make sure that all inclusive is selected, then go ahead and press on apply. Now, depending on your area, there may be zero results. So in this case for Vegas, there is zero results. But if we were to go ahead and change this to, let's just say Mexico, we'll go with, I don't know, Mexico, for example. We'll type in the exact same stuff, then press on update. If I were to go to freebies right here, make sure that all inclusive is selected and press on apply. There could be some options elsewhere. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book all inclusive hotels on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.